Hello everyone, welcome to Cybersecurity Think Tank. As we have covered 39th lab of your CH module, we are going to start the lab of system hacking. 40th, the lab title is Dumping and Cracking the SAM hashes to extract the plain text passwords. So first thing, what is SAM file, right? It's a system account manager. It's a database file, right, and present in a Windows machine that stores a user account and security description for the user on the local computer, right? So for this, first thing we are going to find out the hashes in the particular system. So we'll use pwdump for this, right? So pwdump 7 can be used to dump the protected files. You can always copy a use file by extracting the pwdump.exe. In the command prompt, we are going to use it. Then after, in case we got the hashes, then we will use OPH crack, right, to crack or to decrypt that particular LM hashes through the rainbow table, right? So first in this lab, our first work is to get the hash file by using pwdump in command prompt, right? So I'm going to tell you something about the LM hashes. So by default, we'll use the OPH crack as a bundle that table that allow it to crack the password not longer than 14 character, usually only alphanumeric character. So we'll use the rainbow table for LM hashes, right, to crack that. So we're going to start to get the hashes in Windows. Sorry. So first we are going to open command prompt, cmd.exe, run as admin. Yes. So you can see here, right? Command prompt. For the better view, we have increase the size. That's better. So here we go to use. So we are going to start the command. We'll use here cd space C drive / enter. Now we are in the C drive. Going to check the directory dir. So you can see here the multiple directory, that pad file, configuration.system, desk, OPH crack. Also we have some program files, and here you can see the pwdump 7 we have, right? So we're going to execute this one, cd pwdump 7, pressing enter. So now we are on this tool, right? The directory of this tool is, you can see here, the DL file, that particular exe we have. I'm going to execute it, right? So pwdump 7.exe, pressing enter. Here we go. You can see here the administrator password is, so we got the hash. You see the detail, the guest account, and Aparna. The password is, we got this hash, right? The guest account doesn't have any password, so you can see here no password. You can see Aparna, the password showing you. These are the hashes you can see here. Now our work is to we are going to check the txt file in which they have stored. We are going to see hashes dot text file. We're going to store the hashes in this particular file. So we've done it. We are going to check where the file is. So just start and see pw dump. Here we go. We have stored the hashes here. You can see, right? All the hashes you can check here. Like the guest account is showing no password, simply there's no hash. The hash is for Aparna. This is the administrator password, right? Now show the attempt to crack the password by using hash with the tool OPH crack. So first we will install the OPH crack. Here we are going to install it. You can click on next, we don't need to download, then next. Here we go, since installing, next, and then finish. This is the tool you can see here. We have we have installed, showing here on the desktop OPH crack. We are going to execute it. You can see, you can load your hash file here. These are the tables. The option to crack, right? And this is all about the statistics, number of hash, false alarm and all. Then preferences, number of threads per task, right? Brute force, so our work is to first load the file. You can see here pwdump file. As we have, we're going to check. Here we go, hash.txt. We're going to load the file. It's loaded. You can see here showing us the empty hashes. You can see here admin and guest showing empty, and Aparna, Ellen guard is showing the hashes, right? Sorry. So now we are going to click on the tables. You can see here XP free fast, free small, Vista, like complete tables we have. We're going to install Vista free. Right, it's a pre-computed table for reversing the cryptographic hash function and recovering the plain text password up to a certain length. So we're going to install this Vista free. We are selected, then click on install. First you can see here the detail of Vista free. Then to the path, C drive, OPH crack, table is for free. Then click on OK. OK. Then we are going to crack by using this. The process has been started. You can see here showing the multiple tables, right? The directory you can see here. We are getting something. Here we go. We got showing us the password is admin, right? And this is the directory we are using. See, OPH crack, the table Vista free is working now. You can see here preload is done. The brute force 41%, and we got the password very soon, right? So this is all about, because a simple one, in case we are using the alphanumeric password, it's a long one, it will take some time, but to show you we have used the small one, right? So this is all about to crack the Windows password, right? In the real time, if an attacker attempts to exploit on a machine and escalate the privilege, so he or she can obtain the password hashes using such tool, this kind of PW dump. So by doing so, they can use the hashes decoding tool like OPH crack to acquire the plain text password. So this is the complete thing. In case somebody is accessing your computer, he can, he can get the password in the plain text, right? First thing is going to check your SAM file, then catching your NT hashes or LM hashes, right? By using PW dump, then we can store that particular hashes on a text file. Then you can load that particular hash or txt in OPH crack. Then you can use that particular table and can crack the password, right? This is all about that we have done. It's multiple things, right? As you can see here. So you can stop as you got that, right? So you got the password showing admin. So this is all about the first lab. You have finished your chapter system hacking, dumping and cracking SAM hashes to extract plain text passwords, right? Thank you.